Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize your Google Chrome home screen. So guys, before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest videos. Alright guys, so open a new tab, and as you can see over here, if you want to change a background or a short link and everything, I'm gonna teach you. So as you can see over here, the small icon with a pencil, click on that. You can also upload from your device a wallpaper, a background, whatever you like. So for example, I'm gonna show you by Google. You can see so many backgrounds. For example, I'm gonna use this. After that, just hit over here, done. It will change the background, and once again go for this icon, and you can see shorter links over here. So you can see the icons down below, and if you want to hide, you can just enable this. I will just keep like that only. If it's your preference what you want to do, and you can see colors, and you can over here change the over here this logo like something like the iPhone. If I want to change like in gray and black, something like that. Okay, this looks amazing, and you can just hit over here, done. It will change a little bit, something like that. And if you want to download some themes, you can see over here apps. You can just open apps in Google, like you have to download some themes. If you want, you can go for web store. In web store, you can see over here themes. Click on that. After that, you can see so many themes over here. Let's go for this one. It looks like amazing. And if you want to like download these themes, just hit over here, add to Chrome, and it will download the theme. But I don't want to. So guys, this will be a quick small video. So guys, if you enjoy, if this video was helpful for you, leave a like. Don't forget to comment if you are having any questions. If you want me to make some videos, don't forget to share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Peace out, bye friends. Thanks for watching.